Heavy traffic, guys. Heavy traffic. I'm still on the road until now and I'm on my way to work. It's already 7:13. I usually get there early, but here we are, still on the road. Stay safe, guys. Take care wherever you are. There's a glimpse of Toronto today, right? People still shoveling. Someone told me it looks like we are in Alberta. I haven't been there, but yeah, heavy snow, and of course some people waiting for the bus. We have TTC stranded and cancellations, so there's delays and cancellations today, just like yesterday. So yeah, just stay safe, guys. All right. Go this way. Let's try and walk carefully because it can be slippery. Yeah, this part has been shoveled already and someone already walking here. Oh, I thought I can go that way. I really thought I can go this way. Oh my, oops. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I thought I can take you all the way to the backyard. But nope. I can try and climb up. Oh, this is so high. Ooh. Okay. I'm up here. See, guys, I used to have a garden on that side and also a little bit of garden on that side. And we have a pool. We used to have a pool in the middle. That's where I was a while ago, right? And I went that way, all the way here. Ooh, oops. Okay, I don't think it's wise to go that way. So I guess we're just gonna stay here. Okay. This is the turning point. I gotta turn around now. Hey! Oh, jeez. Okay. Hold on. Alright. Okay. Alright, guys, that's it. That's our first deck. That's our patio right there. And this one's a little drop down in here. But yeah. And the snow behind me. Okay, that's it for the tour. That's it, that's it. Look at that. Oh well. Welcome to Toronto. There, guys. I was there a while ago. Right? I was trying to climb up there, but I can't. We have a stair here. This stairs used to go up here, and we have a pool there in the middle. But you can't see it. But if you want, you can still play hide and seek there. Right? Okay, guys. That's it. To those of you who are here in Toronto or in Ontario or wherever you are, just stay safe. All right. Bye.